How to upload Reels on Instagram from your PC or laptop. Well, let me show you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into Instagram from your PC, and as you can see here on the left hand side, you're going to see this menu. So you want to navigate to create, click on create, and this is where you will be able to actually select the reel that you want to post. So click on select from computer, choose the reel that you would like to upload, and click open. Now the next step is very important. You want to click on this button right here, and you want to choose 9:16. This is going to give it a vertical format. Okay, so the whole video is going to fit in a reel, and then click next. Once you click next, here you're going to have the option to choose your cover photo. So let's say, for example, that I'm going to choose this as a cover photo, and then I'm going to click on next. Here, you simply want to write your caption, and as soon as you write your caption, you can also add a location, just like on usual on Instagram, and then you click share. And this is how you post Reels on Instagram from your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.